Hi, this is Joe from howtochangeyourname.com, and here we're going to be showing you how to change your name in the state of New York. So the first start is, and this is a how-to for anyone looking to change their name legally after you've just been married, after divorce, or just for personal reasons. But the first step is you're going to have to gather the necessary forms, which is if the petitioner was born in New York, they will need their birth certificate with the raised seal. If the petitioner was not born in New York, they will not only need their birth certificate with the raised seal, but they will need legal documents to prove their birthplace was outside of New York, such as a baptismal certificate, any past passports that you've had, any sort of older legal documentation that shows that your residence was outside of New York at one time. Then you'll need to file the name change petition, and the name change petition is located right at this link, and it looks a little something like this when it loads. If it loads, there we go. And it's pretty self-explanatory. County of, the matter of application of, name change, and you can go right through it's pretty easy to follow. The only questions that they're really going to ask you that are kind of dicey is if you've been convicted of a crime. They want to know basically, are you a fugitive trying to change your name? Or are you trying to run from debt? But I'd say about 99% of you are changing your name because you've either just been married or divorced. So then we'll just go back to our how-to. That was the name change petition. And you will also need to have your name change petition notarized before you can file it. But after filing it, you have to announce your name change to the public. Under New York state law, you have to publicly announce in a newspaper your request to change your name. And so what you do is you can call up any one of the many newspapers that exist in New York that are serving the county where you reside. That's very important. And most of them will have actually a direct number for something like this. So all you have to do is call them up. They'll know exactly what you're looking for, and they'll provide you with the ad and what the fee is, and they'll pretty much take care of everything for you. Now, what you'll get from them is some kind of form from the newspaper that proves that you actually did make your name change public. Because if you have a hearing or you have to go back to the court to pick up your name change decree, you will have to have that form with you so that you can prove that in fact you made your name change public. Now most of the time you won't have a hearing if it's just a standard marriage or standard divorce, but you never know. The judge may just have a reason to ask you a few questions and call you in for a hearing. But most of the time you'll be given your name change decree without one signed by the judge, and that will allow you to change your name at the following institutions such as Social Security Office, Passport, DMV, your banks, mortgage if you have one, or any place that you pretty much have to change your name. That decree will be good. So that is how you change your name legally in the state of New York.